Welcome to Slow Magic, where each episode is a love spell, a mystical key unlocking and amplifying your luxurious feminine nature, reminding you to live as art, as the erotic being you are. I'm your host, Adriana Velez, and get ready to turn up the volume on your unique magic and medicine unapologetically. Hello, exquisite one. Welcome back to Slow Magic. I'm Adriana, and today we are going to free flow through all of the feels of life. I think it's just life. And we're going to start with a poem called Adrift by Mark Nepo. Everything is beautiful and I am so sad. This is how the heart makes a duet of wonder and grief. The light spraying through the lace of the fern is as delicate as the fibers of memory forming their web around the knot in my throat. The breeze makes the birds move from branch to branch as this ache makes me look for those I've lost in the next room, in the next song, in the laugh of the next stranger, in the very center, under it all, what we have that no one can take away, and all that we've lost face each other. It is there that I'm adrift, feeling punctured by a holiness that exists inside everything. I am so sad, and everything is beautiful. That poem feels so near and dear to my heart. And one of the sisters that was in this last cohort of Serpent of Light shared it. And it just cracked me open. It felt like it just sat on this bruise of my heart of how I often experience life. And I've been really wanting to come in and talk to you and hang out with you. And I've been in the world of 10,000 things, of loss and grief and blooming and newness and joy. And I thought I would do something a little bit different today. Instead of planning a topic, I would just do something short and sweet to remind you that you get to be multidimensional. You get to be paradoxical. You are not one note or one feeling. You can contradict yourself because that is sometimes what the feminine does. We're holding so much. We're looking at different perspectives. We're these like kaleidoscopic beings. And to allow that dynamic nature to bloom within you, that you can be both devastated by the world events, and you can also howl laugh at the most random things, right? You can feel this tenderness of love for your child and fierceness. You are a multidimensional being. And it just feels like as time goes on, we are exposed to more and more. We're overstimulated. There are a lot of atrocities and sorrows and wonders and beauties unfolding. Let us continue to return to the center of our center, that you get to be your own pillar You get to be your own mountain. You get to be your own cleansing waters of fires of transformation. That everything that you need is already inside of you. And so if you're feeling a little extra open, vulnerable, tender, just give yourself the space to feel that. Give yourself a little extra space and a hug. You cannot get it wrong. You're doing a beautiful job. This is a wild time we are in. Turn towards something beautiful in your life. Do a kind act for someone you love, for a stranger, for a stray animal. It's all these little kindnesses that create miracles. It's like what we really need is hope and kindness. So I just want to say your smile matters. When you hold the door open for someone, that matters. When you offer a hand, twinkle in your beautiful eye, that matters. Your love matters. So this is a short and sweet one for now. Get out there and radiate. And I look forward to orbiting with you again soon. Thank you for continuing to orbit with me here. It would mean the world to me to receive a glittering 5-star review from you and to have you share slow magic with your coven, with your beloveds, of being a part of expanding goddess consciousness. May your path be open as you walk forward into your day in a joyful way. So much love and magic to you, my dear.